Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new and haven't seen my face before, hey, I'm Mikayla, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Make sure to subscribe down below and also hit the bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. I've been searching around on YouTube to see what's trending and what's not, and cleaning videos seem to be all the rage right now. So I thought might as well turn cleaning into something fun and create some content out of it. So today's video is going to be a clean with me. I am going to be cleaning different areas of the apartment. Example, the kitchen, the dining table area, probably the bedroom. I will do a little bit of picking up around the living room, and then everything else that I can't do right now I will be doing later tonight. So if you guys are new and this is the first video you're seeing of mine, hi, I'm Mikayla. Welcome to the channel. As I said in the beginning, make sure to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and they can be anything from motherhood, lifestyle, vlogs, anything around that content is what I like to post. So if you guys are interested in that, feel free to subscribe. I would love to have you join the family. Let's head to the kitchen. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little overview of what the kitchen looks like right now. It's not too messy. There's just a lot of dishes to do. So I'm gonna show you guys what the kitchen looks like right now. So this is what the kitchen currently looks like. It's mainly a lot of dishes that need to be done. And then just some tidying up and wiping of the counters. And then over here, yep, a pot that needs to be washed. And then Braylon's area also needs an organizing. And then up there, the fridge needs to be dusted off a little bit. Just before we begin, if you haven't followed me on my social media, I mainly use Instagram. I am constantly posting photos 24/7. So if you want to catch up with me on more of a daily basis, make sure to follow me on those. Guess without further ado, let's start cleaning the kitchen. Wow, it feels like I just spent 3 years cleaning the kitchen, but it looks freaking great. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and then I'm actually gonna mop the floor. And if you can hear Braylon crying, she's trying to take a nap. Not going too well, as you can probably tell. But let's show you the kitchen. So here we have the kitchen. Those marks that you see right there, I don't know what they are, but they don't want to come off, so whatever. I did all the dishes, and I even put some away because there was so many, so woohoo! And then I wiped all the countertops. They look so good and they smell so good. And these two pitchers are for Braylon's bottles, so that's kind of where I put those. And then I turned on my Scentsy warmer so to make it smell really nice. And then we come over here, I wiped the top of the fridge off, and I cleaned off this whole counter space. Woohoo, it looks super clean. This is Braylon's bottles and everything. And then I just have a squash sitting there that I have to cook up in the next couple days. And then I have to put that in the laundry. So that is the kitchen. And now I'm gonna mop the floors. I have migrated out of the kitchen and into, I guess what you would call our dining room area. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I do have an animal in here. It's a rabbit. So if you hear a lot of noise, it's him. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in here. This here is our dining room area. Quite messy right now. We do have a freezer attached to our fridge, but it is really not big enough for everything that we keep in a freezer. So we got this one. And as you can see, there are tons of papers on top of it that I should go through. Going to be doing that. We have some rabbit pellets type things. We have an empty bag of rabbit hay, which will be going out. We have a lot of pellets on the ground and just a lot of stuff to clean up. So let's get to it. Many hours later, like it's almost 9 o'clock, I did finish cleaning the dining room area. Let's show you guys what the dining area looks like now. Hey, so this is what it looks like now. Table is a lot cleaner than before. Got that over there. The floor is a lot cleaner looking than before. And then the top of the freezer has nothing on it anymore. That is the cleaned up area. That is gonna be it for today's cleaning portion. I am going to pick up again tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors.
Hi guys, it's the next day and I'm gonna continue my little clean with me. So I just put in some laundry, should be done in about 20-ish minutes. While I'm waiting for it to be done, I'm just gonna do the cleanup of the living room area, like vacuum, tidy what I can before the laundry is done. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys like what the mess kind of looks like first, just to show you what I'm gonna be cleaning up. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be cleaning up. This part, Braylon's like playpen area, and then over there as well. I'm gonna start doing that.
Got the money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the tricks you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got the money on my mind. Repeating patterns like the others. through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering the walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. No working out.
Okay, so now I'm gonna sweep the floor and then I'll put Braylon's bigger toys back on her carpet. And then what will I do after that? Probably wipe down some of the like side tables that we have because they're probably dusty. And then I will wipe down these like bookshelves that we have. But I'm gonna sweep, so I'm gonna put you guys probably on the floor, to be honest.
Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the tricks you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Repeating patterns like the others. Meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering the walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind.
Hello guys, it's actually day 3 of this cleaning video. I don't even know where I left off yesterday. I think I was in the process of wiping off the shelves. I wiped all of these shelves off and I'm slowly working my way into cleaning the bedroom, which is where I'm gonna end off the video. Vacuumed the bedroom rug, as you can see. I didn't do a before clip, but I'll just say before there was a lot of like clothing and just random boxes on the carpet. So got all that out of the way. Some of it's right here actually, which I will be putting back in its proper spot. But now I'm going to tackle like what's up here. I'm gonna wipe the top of the dresser. I'm gonna tackle this and I'm going to tackle this here. And then I'm also going to like tackle this stuff as well as just clean the top of my side table. And then Dylan's side actually looks better than mine, which is shocking. Yeah, the bedroom isn't too bad, but let's get to it. Okay, so this is the bedroom all clean. This looks a lot better. Need to take that bottle to the kitchen, but this looks tons better. There's still a few things that I have to pick up and move back to their spots, like this stuff, this bag, this box I have to deal with, and my nightstand. But other than that, it looks so much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me video. I hope you got some cleaning motivation from it. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I will have it on the screen here. I'm posting 24/7 on there, so if you like pictures and you like seeing daily life content, go follow me on there and let's be friends. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new content every Monday and Thursday and would love to have you stick around, so go subscribe down below. And that is everything that I have to say, so I hope you guys are having a great day or night whenever you're watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!